Diving deep into double prepositions, English language learning. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to discuss an interesting and useful aspect of English grammar, double prepositions. These are particular types of prepositions that involve not just one word, but two prepositions working together to provide a distinct meaning. Before diving into double prepositions, it's essential to remember what a preposition is. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun, or a pronoun, and another word in the sentence. Examples include on, in, at, from, and many others. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun, known as the object of the preposition. For instance, in the sentence, "The cat is on the table," "on the table" is a prepositional phrase. Now that we have the basics covered, let's get to the meat of our topic today: double prepositions. Double prepositions are combinations of two prepositions. They work together as a pair to connect words in a sentence. Examples include phrases like out of, up to, from behind, next to, and so on. Using double prepositions in sentences might seem complicated at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Here are some examples. She emerged from behind the curtain. He lives next to the post office. We drove up to the mountains for a holiday. I picked it out of the box. Each of these double prepositions provides a specific meaning that cannot be conveyed by using single prepositions. Let's take a look at some common double prepositions and their uses. Out of indicates movement from a place or point. Up to can express a limit or boundary. Into signifies movement towards the inside of something. Onto denotes movement to the top of something. From behind indicates coming from the rear side of something. These double prepositions are a fantastic tool for making your English more natural and nuanced. And that's a wrap on double prepositions. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, mastering English, like any language, is a journey. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself getting better every day. Stay tuned for more grammar tips and lessons. Happy learning! Remember, double prepositions might seem a little tricky at first, but with practice, they can add depth and specificity to your English communication. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use them in your everyday conversations.